your essential guide to starting your English learning journey. Learning a new language can be an exciting and rewarding adventure. If you're a beginner setting out on your path to mastering the English language, this guide is here to support and inspire you. Whether you want to improve your English for personal, academic, or professional reasons, these foundational steps will help you build a solid understanding of the language. Let's embark on this language learning journey together. The first one is start with the basics. Begin your English learning journey by focusing on the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with the English alphabet, pronunciation, and basic greetings. Understanding these building blocks will lay a strong foundation for your language skills. The second one is master essential vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary by learning common words and phrases. Start with everyday items, numbers, colors, and simple verbs. Practice using these words in sentences to improve your speaking and writing skills. Use flashcards or vocabulary apps to make learning more interactive and enjoyable. The third one is grammar essentials. While grammar may seem intimidating, it is a crucial aspect of language learning. Start with simple grammar rules like verb conjugation, noun-verb agreement, and basic sentence structures. Focus on understanding the different tenses, present, past, future, and their usage. Engage in grammar exercises and refer to reputable online resources or textbooks for explanations and examples. The fourth one is develop listening skills. Listening is an essential component of language learning. Improve your listening skills by watching English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or audio lessons designed for beginners. Practice identifying words and phrases and try to comprehend the overall meaning. Gradually, challenge yourself by listening without subtitles to enhance your listening comprehension. The fifth one is speaking practice. The key to becoming fluent in English is consistent speaking practice. Find a language exchange partner or join conversation groups where you can practice speaking with native English speakers or fellow learners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning from them is an integral part of the process. Start with simple conversations and gradually work your way up to more complex topics. The sixth one is reading for comprehension. Immerse yourself in English reading materials suitable for your proficiency level. Start with children's books, graded readers, or online articles. As you progress, tackle more challenging texts, such as news articles or short stories. Practice reading aloud to improve your pronunciation and fluency. The seventh one is writing practice. Enhance your writing skills by regularly practicing different types of writing. Start with short sentences and paragraphs, then progress to writing emails, letters, and short essays. Take advantage of online writing tools or find a language partner who can provide feedback on your written work. Last one is embrace technology and online resources. Utilize technology to support your learning journey. There are numerous apps, websites, and online platforms that offer interactive lessons, grammar exercises, vocabulary games, and language exchange opportunities. Leverage these resources to reinforce your learning and make your English studies more engaging and dynamic. Embarking on your English learning journey can be both challenging and rewarding. Remember, consistency and dedication are key. Embrace every opportunity to practice your skills, whether it's speaking with others, reading, writing, or listening to English content. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are stepping stones towards improvement. With perseverance and a positive mindset, you'll soon find yourself navigating the English language with confidence and fluency. Good luck from Lingo Lab on your language learning adventure. Thanks for watching.